Alright, so the first thing here is we need to find VS Code. So we can search VS Code on Google and then we get VS Code. So we need to download VS Code because that will be our code editor. Now, what we just need to do is to click download for Windows and then we're going to get that. So it's downloading right now, but I already have VS Code, so I don't need to download it. So I'm just going to cancel the download. Then now that my download is already cancelled, the next thing that I have to do is to go back and hit my VS Code since I already have it downloaded. So I'm just going to open up my VS Code right now and it's loading. So it's up now, and then I'm just going to expand it to make it bigger and then try to zoom in a bit so that you can see it clearly. Now the next thing I need to do is to create an open folder, which is I'm trying to create a new folder so that we can start our project. So when you get to VS Code, you're going to see the open folder option, and then the next thing you're going to do is to create a new folder. So you have to create a new folder. So you just go to a new folder and then you create a new folder. So I'm just going to give it a name, HTML5 class. I think that works well, and then I select the folder. So after selecting this folder, the next thing that I have to do is create a new file. And remember, our file is the HTML5. So I'm just going to create the HTML5, which is going to be index.html. So here, all I'm just going to do is write HTML, and then I have the HTML5. So I'm just going to click on that, and then all I need to do now is to get rid of the, rather than making it smaller, I just need to get rid of the sidebar. So I'll just explain what everything is. So doc type HTML, it declares what it does is that it declares the document type and version of HTML being used, which here it is HTML5. So this represents the root element of the HTML, which is the lang en. Then what the method does is it contains meta information such as the title and character. What the viewport does is the viewport, it sets the viewport for responsive design, and then the title is important for SEO optimization. So that is everything that has to do with this, and